In the fast-evolving world of technology, where human and robotic intervention defines the future, IHFC, iHub Foundation for Cobotics at IIT Delhi is pioneering a revolution. A revolution that has already begun, with IHFC having set up world-class Centre of Excellences such as Drone Technology Park, Medical Cobotics Centre and Co-Innovation Centres which are bringing real-world solutions to life.
The iHub Foundation for Cobotics at IIT Delhi is one of the 25 technology innovation hubs set up under National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems.
With verticals spanning agriculture, medical, defense and Industry 5.0, IHFC is shaping the future of India in the deep tech ecosystem.
Today we have almost 40 startups and 25 early stage entrepreneurs, some already successful and some very high promising.
IHFC nurtures young minds from school through their educational STEM training from school to college to their entrepreneurial journey.
So at the end of 5 years, I feel proud that IHFC has contributed not only to create world-class startup systems who made a world record, at the same time we are on the verge of productionizing one technology which has emerged from the medical field, particularly the prosthetic arm.
We have been working with many state governments and central boards to take this concept to the young minds of the country, especially at the secondary school stage.
The mission is poised to focus collaborations between government, academia and industry, thus bringing out a robust innovation ecosystem in the country.
Looking at cobotics and how cobotics can change people's lives. We have been enabling innovators, startups, ideas, research which make a difference.
What we feel is that this generation will be the one driving Viksit Bharat in 2047. We have also set up 10 co-innovation centers which have been set up in collaboration with some like-minded and forward-looking institutions to take the vision of IHFC forward.
As IHFC completes its 5 years, it's indeed satisfying to note the achievements made by the hub under technology development, skill development, entrepreneurship development and international collaborations.
IHFC now celebrates 5 years of its existence. We have come a long way. We have now created an ecosystem where we can support innovators, faculty members, researchers to take their journey forward in terms of cobotics to make a difference in the Indian ecosystem.
I wish we could make one of the best systems in the world to take our country, in the forefront of technology creations, and at the same time, Atmanirbhar Bharat, not only for Bharat but also for the world.